Control number 41481, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Manilit A. Bergonia. I'm 31 years old. I'm married. I have 3 sons, 7 years old, 6 years old, and 2 years old. I have 1 brother and 3 sisters, and I'm the youngest siblings.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm elementary graduate of Santo Domingo Elementary School in 2001.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go Hong Kong to support my family, especially to the future of my kids.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
I have experienced in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia in 1 year, and I have experience here in the Philippines for 5 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
Yes, I have experienced taking old person to changing diaper, checking the vitals, and changing the diaper.
Do you have experience in taking care of a newly born babies and children?
Yes, I have experienced the newborn baby to giving milk, taking a bath, changing the diaper and clothes.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I do cooking, washing clothes, ironing, washing cars, and washing dishes.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I know cook steamed fish, pasta, and Filipino foods.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I'm the loyal, trustworthy, and I do my best to my employer.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I say sorry and forgive me.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
My past employer is good and treating good for me.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
My future employer in Hong Kong, Ma'am, Sir, if you heard me, I do my best for you and for me.